Hey friends, this is Sam with Paper Vessels. Hope everyone is having a great day. I am doing a review today of a product that I was sent. I was contacted by, I think it's Aya, E-Y-A. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. Sorry. She is from DIY Crafts and Tools on Amazon. She sent me this really nice cordless hot glue gun. And not like cordless, like what I'm used to, where, you know, you've got your glue gun and it sits on the base and the base is plugged in. And when you take it off the base, it's no longer charging. So you have like a couple minutes before it starts to get too cold. Nope, this one stays on the whole time. You don't have to have it charging. It doesn't charge while you're using it. So I found that very useful. And this is really nice, especially with doing, you know, bigger projects where maybe you're mass making. The only thing is maybe if you're doing really small detailed work, maybe this might not necessarily be the one you want to use for those like really small projects. The tip is nice. It is a metal tip. I do have a different glue gun that's a little more precise though. So for those really tiny little bows that I make, which I try not to do them often because they're really hard to make. But anyway, for those types of things, if that's like your, you know, your jam and what you want to use your glue gun for, maybe you want to stick to those. But again, for everyday, like just basic or mass making, you know, crafts or projects, this one worked really well. Once I charged it, it lasted me probably about an hour and a half of use. The battery lasted that long, so that was nice. It does come with a USB charger. It's the box it came in, and nice little instruction manual. So when I used it, I made some bows. Let me move this out of the way. I made some bows, and I think these are, I mean, that's pretty small, right? And it worked great for that. And I made different ones. This is from my kit that I got from Shiana. I used her dies, and the faux leather came in the kit from her as well. But I mean, they came out really cute. Can you see that? So I mean, that tip is precise enough to do, you know, a little bow this big. So I really enjoyed using it. It was nice. So yeah. I made all those. I also, once I ran out of the clear glue, and by the way, it does come with glue sticks. I think it comes with, I forget how many, 25, and these are the longer ones. So that's nice. And then it came with a couple of the glitter ones. There was gold in here too, but I already used them. So I had some plain matte black glue sticks. So I used them to make a few of these in the mold that I just got, and I used this glue gun for that. So I think that came out really, really cute. Those came out pretty good. Look at that little moon, La Luna. So I really enjoyed using this. Thank you so much, Aya, for sending this to me. It was really fun to use. I do like the base that it's on, so it's not going to fall over. You saw me keep playing with this. Well, I'm a big klutz, so if I'm going to depend on something like that by myself, maybe not so much, but this worked really well for me. I didn't knock it over. I didn't knock it over one time, and I knocked stuff over. But I really have enjoyed using this. Thank you so much for sending it to me. It's kind of dead right now because I used it last night, so I've been using it. So if you guys want to check this out, I will leave the link to it below so you can shop for that. Really cute pink color. How many of us buy glue guns that are pink, or, you know, tools that are pink just because they're pink and then we're not too crazy about them? Well, I like this. So it's pink, it's cute, and it worked. So I wanted to show a little update on what that looks like. So this is, I had a black glue in there, that's why it's got the gray color. But I wanted to show like the drippage from this glue gun. So that is pretty much with the ones that come with it. That's the kind of a dripping that you get from the glue gun. I don't know if there's any difference between that and maybe using like the Sure Bonder glue sticks. So I am also going to try that, and I'll try and do a video of it so you can see the difference. But I don't know, it's a workhorse. So even with that, I'm still pretty happy with it. Okay, so this is my glue gun on Sure Bonder, the long ones. So we got no drippage. Hey girl, hey. And this was with the, well, with mostly the glue sticks that came with the gun, because I did put like a black one in there, a matte black, to do a couple things in a mold. So not too bad, not too shabby. I think this is a nice little addition to my crafty tool arsenal, so I will be using it for some nice mask making and just bigger projects. So thank you so much. So thank you so much again for sending it to me. I hope you guys check it out. And again, the link for shopping for this will be below. All right, have a great, blessed day. Love you, besos, bye.